Everyone, my name is Masal Anadizel. In this video, our group will present about plant anatomy and morphology. Let's begin by understanding what plant anatomy and morphology. Plant morphology is the study of a plant external feature. What we can see with our eyes, like the root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. It helps us identify and classify different types of plants. On the other hand, plant anatomy focuses on the external structure, the tissue and cell that work together inside the plant to support growth, transport water and nutrients, and carry out life process. Both morphology and anatomy are important. Together, they help us understand how a plant is grown and how it functions, both on the outside and inside. In the next slide, we will go deeper into each area.
Okay, thank you. Now is my part. Now I will present about morphology plant. Now let's look at plant morphology or the external structure of plant. We start with the root, which absorb water and nutrients from the soil and enter the plant firmly. The stem holds the plant upright and transport sustain between root and leaf. Leaves are the main site of photosynthesis, where plants make their food using sunlight. Then we have flower, which are responsible for reproduction. Inside the flower, we find the male part with called stamen, and female part is called carpel and or pistil. After fertilization, fruit and seed form. Fruit protect seed and help with dispersal, while seed grow into new plant. Their visible part help us recognize and classify plant. So that's all from me about morphology present. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Asum and I'm presenter number 3. Here, I'm going to present about plant tissue. Moving into plant anatomy, we start by understanding the different tissue inside a plant. First, we have meristematic tissue. These are actively dividing cells found at the tips of the root and shoots. They are responsible for plant growth. Then we have permanent tissue, which don't divide. This includes simple tissues like parenchyma, which store foods and water, collenchyma, which provide flexible spot, sclerenchyma, which gives strength to mature spot. Not just that, we also have complex tissue, which is xylem, which transport water from roots to leaf, and phloem, which transport food made in the leaf to the rest of the plant. Together, this tissue keep the plant alive and functioning. Thank you.
Now, let's look at the anatomy of major plant organs. The root, stem, and leaf. In a root, the outer layer is called the epidermis, followed by the cortex. And in the center lies the vascular tissue that includes xylem and phloem. In the stem, especially in dicot plants, vascular bundles are arranged in a ring on the inside and phloem on the outside, which helps transport water and food. In a leaf, the upper and lower layers are called the epidermis, and inside is the mesophyll layer where photosynthesis happens. The veins contain xylem and phloem to move water and nutrients. Each organ is especially structured to perform its job effectively.
Hello guys, my name is and let's follow me on summarizing what we have learned. Morphology deals with what we see on the outside of the plant, which means by
roots, stem, leaf, flowers, and fruits. Anatomy, on the other hand, is what about what's inside. The tissues and cells that allow the plants to grow, stay upright, and transport water and food. Here's a quick comparison. Morphology can be seen with the naked eye, while anatomy requires a microscope. Morphology helps with plant classification, and anatomy helps us understand the functions and the structures. Both fields are important in botany, agriculture, and even medicine. Since many plants are used in herbal remedies, together they give us a full picture of plant life. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.